Hi there, I'm Michael with eTrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this smart plug replacement power inlet and connector. This is going to help you switch your system from using a traditional twist type inlet and connector to the smart plug system. So this will replace both the inlet and the connector to allow you to plug your RV or marine power cord up to your shore power. This will replace your current connector on your cord, so you will cut off that current connector and wire this in place. It sounds a little intimidating, but they do include very detailed instructions to walk you through that process step by step. And the inlets here are color coded so that you can be sure that you're putting the wires in the right place. So very easy to get that upgraded for you. And then your inlet is going to have the same mounting holes as your current twist type holes or inlet, so it's going to be very easy to get this mounted in place. Again, wiring is simple. They have the same green, white, and black inlets there, so once you take this cap off, get everything put in place. Again, very detailed instructions on the backside of the other instructions, so everything is going to be able to wire right in place so that you can use that 30 amp and 125 volt power from your shore power into your RV or boat. Now, if you're not familiar with the benefits of the smart plug system, there are lots of benefits, including that this uses a sleeved design. So rather than all the weight of your cord being put on the pins themselves, that sleeve is going to bear the weight and tension. So if you were to trip over your cord at night, it's not going to tug on those pins, potentially causing them to come loose, create electrical problems. So all of the weight is going to be bared by that sleeve design. So it's also going to have a straight connection. So unlike your twist style, you're not ever going to have to guess where you need to line it up. It just fits in the one way, plugs right in, so very easy to get connected even at night. And the straight inlet pins are going to maximize your electrical transfer by about 20 times as much as the curved style design. So it is going to provide less resistance, make a lot more efficient connection to allow that electricity to flow through. This does also have triple weatherproof seals that prevent any water from getting in and causing any problems with your electrical system. And they have this multi-point locking system that allows this to fit right in place. And if I can get it to line up, it will be much easier once this is actually installed on your cord. But to try and demonstrate, I'll try and push that in a little bit farther. But it is going to lock it in place, so it's going to be nice and securely connected for you, so you're not going to have to worry about it getting pulled out. Again, if you were to trip over it or something along those lines, it will stay in place. You've got these stainless steel locking tabs here that will connect onto that little groove there. If I can get it pushed in far enough, it might be easier to show on the other side here. So that locks in place. Both sides will, once you have it all installed. I'm just having a little bit of trouble currently without those wires being put in. And then when you're ready to disconnect, you just push in on that tab and pull out. So that's one of the locking systems. The cap is actually going to serve as a lock as well. So once we have this all the way pushed in, you can see they've got this little hook on our connector, and then our inlet cap is going to come down on that and prevent it from being pulled out. So several different ways to make sure that this is going to have a nice secure connection for you. Very easy to then just push in on those tabs and wiggle this out. Again, it is going to be much easier for you once your cables are actually connected to this piece and it is snugly inside this housing. That's the reason I'm having some trouble with it at the moment, but it will be a nice smooth operation for you once you get it all installed. This is made of nice high quality materials. Our plastics are a UV and heat resistant resin, so they're going to hold up really well for us. Our electrical pins are a nickel-plated brass inside here, so those are going to do a great job of conducting that electricity for us. Our external metals are a marine grade 316 stainless steel, so it's going to hold up really well for us. And the stainless steel cap will form a nice weatherproof seal on our inlet when it's not being used, so we can put our cord in our storage bin and know that no water is going to be getting in there, causing problems with our connections. Now this is just one option available from SmartPlug for your 30 amp systems, the stainless steel cover here. We do also have a black plastic, a white plastic, and a gray plastic, so you just want to make sure that you're getting the one that's going to best match your RV's external setup, so whatever is going to look best for you. But this is the stainless steel option, and it is going to do a really good job, not only looking nice, but also being very durable and trustworthy for a long time to come. All of these products are made here in the USA, so you can trust they're made to the high quality standards that we've come to know and trust for products that are made here in the US. So I think you're going to be very happy with this. If you do decide to switch over to the SmartPlug system, I think there are enough advantages to make doing all that wiring worth it. So that's going to complete our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with eTrailer.com. Thanks for watching.